Look, here's a hard truth. Your AI projects aren't moving fast enough, and it's not because the tech is failing. It's because your setups keep choking on data delays, limited bandwidth, and central server bottlenecks. You're stuck waiting, always waiting. Waiting for data to shuffle across slow networks, waiting for computing power that exists miles away, hoping everything syncs up instantly, but it never does. That lag is crushing your edge, the instant, razor-sharp decisions that real AI demands. You're bleeding opportunity when every millisecond counts. Does that frustration sound familiar? It's maddening, because you know AI could be so much smarter, faster, sharper, if only it wasn't shackled to these outdated cloud-only models. Now, imagine flipping that script. Edge computing doesn't just push power closer to the source. It rips open the door for AI to breathe, to act in real time without begging the cloud for permission. No more stalling, no more call-home delays. What nobody tells you is that edge computing can actually supercharge your AI's mind power by slamming raw processing into the places that need it most, right on devices, factories, or urban satellites. It's like giving AI wings. But here's the kicker. This is not about just moving code around or upgrading servers. You have to rethink your entire architecture. You need to design AI systems that don't depend on one locus of control, but can operate independently, coordinate locally, and sync only when necessary. That means embracing distributed intelligence, building models that can learn on the fly at the edge, then feed aggregated insights back. And guess what? That's where the real edge of innovation lives. Forget the endless back and forth to the cloud. You want AI that sees, learns, and acts in the chaos of the real world, instantly. If you're a founder or an investor still betting on centralized AI models alone, you're running behind. Investors talk a lot about AI scaling, but skip the ugly reality. Scaling only works if the system can handle scaling delays. That's why edge computing is the secret sauce that so many miss. You're not just scaling, you're unleashing AI's autonomy where it counts. That means better reliability, stronger privacy, less cost, and faster adaptation. If you aren't building or funding AI solutions designed to work robustly at the edge, you're ignoring the future. Here's what to do right now. Stop thinking cloud first. Start thinking edge first. Your next moves must be about creating hybrid workflows, edge clusters, and on-device inferencing so your AI can operate in real time, anywhere. Invest in edge hardware partnerships. Open up your datasets to local learning, and build teams that know how to deploy intelligence where the action actually happens. Stop waiting for perfect connectivity. Design your AI to be resilient by decentralizing decisions. Push compute closer to sensors, users, wherever your data is thickest and freshest. There's another angle nobody's talking about enough. Security and privacy explode in importance when you move AI closer to real life. Edge computing cuts down huge risks by keeping sensitive data local, limiting exposure from constant cloud uploads. Use that to your advantage. Embed privacy by design and zero trust at the edge, and you're not only protecting your users, you're creating trust that scales with the system itself. That's not something most players get right. You've got to shake off the old thinking that smarter AI depends solely on bigger data centers. The real breakthrough is smarter AI that thinks locally and connects globally, that learns fast where it happens, but grows stronger linked across the network. Edge computing is the missing link that makes AI not just faster, but also more human. Not just automated, but adaptive, practical, immediate. So stop settling for slow, centralized AI that drags. Start planning edge-driven AI architectures that demand speed, independence, and true autonomy. Insist on models that can learn and act without waiting for orders from the cloud. Build or back startups and projects that treat edge computing as the foundation, not as an afterthought. This is how you beat latency. This is how you scale intelligence like never before. This is how you truly unleash artificial mind power. Now, make your moves accordingly. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to learn more.